Hey everybody. Okay, I got the transmission back in. I didn't show the video because I mean, if you took it out, then you pretty much know how to put it back in. It's just in the reverse order that you took it out. But I am going to show on how to fill the transmission, the CVT. Now I put everything back on except for the battery box because right there is a screw that goes, let me see, this little sucker goes right there. And I took it out, see, you can see all the way inside, and that's the way I'm going to fill it up. The oil that I'm using that I got from the auto parts is this Valvoline CVT full synthetic, and I got these at $10.99 a quart. Now on the back it shows Mini Cooper, and it's that EZL799, so it's compatible. This oil is compatible with the Mini Cooper, and I got 5 quarts of it. So that's the box. We just took out 1 quart, but I got 5 quarts. So I'm gonna pour 5 quarts in there, and then I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna go through all the gears, and then once I get done there, once I get done with all that, I gotta go under here and open up that plug right there, and then that'll spill out whatever doesn't get used, and then that'll be the right level. So let me get started with this. Okay, now I'm gonna use this funnel. I'm gonna just shove it right in here. Okay, and it stays. And I got my first quart right here. Turn it around this way, and let's see what happens. No leaks. Alright, I just finished pouring the last one. Let's just get this little sucker out. And put it out of the way. And now, that should drain right there on the tissue. Okay, we're gonna put this little plug back in. It's got a little copper washer. Shit. Okay. Okay, let's put the battery box back in. Get these wires out of the way. I only got 2 screws. Battery back in. Alrighty. Put the computer on. Don't let it go all the way down because you still gotta hook it up. So Let me do that first. Hook it up. And then you push that in. Put this one on. Push that in. And you just lock it in place. Lock it in. Oh crap! Don't force the wire. This one doesn't go anywhere. Put the positive. Put the ground. So tight. Now let's turn it on. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and I got the temperature up to where it needs to be. Let's go ahead and open this little plug here. Looks like I'm gonna have to add some more. And by the way, you gotta open that up while the car is running. Okay, everything's on. Let's go ahead, start her up, and let's see if the wheels will turn. I got the car jacked up so high. Let's see. Alright. Got a lot of engine lights. A lot of lights. Let's see. I'm gonna put my foot on the brake. Put it in reverse. It's spinning. All right, well, yes she is. She's working. Now I gotta take it to BMW and get to do the adaptation.